Memory loss and brain fog are becoming increasingly common issues in our modern world. Our memories are a major part of our identity and make up our life stories. They depict the deep relationships we have with others and the bonds we have with the people we have come across on our journey. At the end of the day, our memories are integral to our identity and who we truly are as individuals. Memory fog or loss can lead to frustration and even a sense of lost identity. Welcome to Financial Psychology, the place to understand the mindsets of the rich and unlock your wealth potential. In this video, we're going to cover 10 simple tricks you can use to build a healthier brain and sharpen your thinking skills. Let's get started. Number 1. Cardio fitness. Exercise is not just for the endorphin junkies. When we exercise, our minds get sharper and we focus better. We get smarter incrementally over the years. Exercise not only strengthens the body, but also helps reduce stress and boost creativity. Recent studies have revealed that aerobic exercise can help build new brain cells and improve overall brain performance. Tough workouts can give you an edge in decision-making, higher thinking, and learning. You can prevent your neurons from deteriorating by engaging in regular physical activities and exercises. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of yoga or light jogging can help increase blood flow to your brain and keep you mentally sharp. Moreover, aerobic exercises such as swimming, dancing, and cycling can help produce new neurons and help prevent brain fog. You can also include activities like walking and gardening as a way to stay active and improve your balance. Number 2. Mental health. Memory loss is a real issue that affects a lot of us, but there are steps you can take to make sure you don't suffer from it. One of the best things you can do to prevent memory loss and brain fog is to maintain your mental health. It may sound strange, but spending time with family and friends, as well as engaging in social activities like joining clubs or taking classes, can really help strengthen your memory. Giving yourself opportunities for meaningful conversations helps keep your brain active and can also help ward off forgetfulness. Make goals for yourself. That's right, in order to stay mentally engaged, it's important to set goals for yourself and strive to achieve them. Whether it's taking part in volunteer work, learning a new skill, or mastering a language, having something specific you want to do will help keep anxiety away and make sure stress levels don't rise too high. Number 3. Nutrition. Eating the right foods can make a huge difference when it comes to memory loss and brain fog. Fruits, veggies, and nuts are packed with nutrients that can help with cognitive function. So what kind of foods should you be reaching for? Fruits and vegetables that contain vitamin C like oranges, strawberries, tomatoes, red peppers, and broccoli are great for preventing memory loss. They also provide antioxidants that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Reaching for a handful of nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds are also beneficial for brain health. They contain magnesium, which helps with concentration, as well as vitamin E, which helps fight inflammation in the body. Eating more fish is also important. It contains healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which help to protect your brain. So if you're looking to avoid memory loss or reduce brain fog, make sure you're packing your plate with fruits and vegetables and loading up on healthy fats like nuts and fish. Your cognitive function will thank you. Number 4. Sleep. Everyone knows getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep is important, but did you know that it's essential for improving your memory and preventing memory loss? When you don't get enough sleep, your brain isn't able to recharge and store new memories. So if you want to beat brain fog and memory loss, catching some Z's should be at the top of your to-do list. Here are a few things you can do to optimize your sleep. Turn off electronics 1 hour before bedtime, including TV and phones. Avoid caffeine 4 to 6 hours before bedtime. Set a consistent schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Exercise during the day, but avoid strenuous exercise right before bed. Keep your bedroom dark and cool. Write down any worries before bed to ease stress. Getting plenty of restful sleep each night can do wonders for preventing brain fog and memory loss in the long run. So cut yourself some slack and get some shut-eye. Your mind will thank you for it. Number 5. Meditation. In our fast-paced and information-saturated world, it is easy to become overwhelmed with the hustle and bustle and the pressure to keep up. This can lead to a buildup of stress, overworking our minds, and causing disruption in our overall well-being. Meditation is an effective way to cope with stress. It helps to bring awareness to the present moment and encourages one to be more compassionate and gentle towards themselves as well as others. In recent years, mindfulness meditation has become increasingly popular due to its ability to reduce stress and promote feelings of tranquility and calmness. The practice focuses on the here and now without judgment and helps bring clarity of thought. Contrary to what people may think, meditating doesn't mean clearing your mind. Instead, it helps us recognize and be aware of physical sensations, thought processes, and feelings so that we can better understand them. Meditating not only relieves stress, lowers your blood pressure, and lifts your mood, it can also boost your memory and IQ. Having a regular meditation practice is one of the best investments you can make for your mental health. A study conducted on consciousness and cognition had impressive results. Participants who meditated for 20 minutes every day for 4 days had decreased levels of stress, as well as major improvements in memory and cognition. Those who meditated even achieved a performance level up to 10 times better on working memory tests. Number 6. Natural supplements. You may not realize this, but natural supplements can play a role in improving your brain function. You don't have to spend your days taking pills, as there are some easy everyday supplements you can take to strengthen your memory. Although fish oil is typically praised for its benefits for heart health, it also has incredible effects on brain and mental health that are worthy of some attention. Taking 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil per day may be a good place to start. However, your daily dose should not exceed 3,000 milligrams. Maintaining a healthy level of omega-3 fatty acids is important for sharpening memory and improving mood. B. Vitamins. Vitamin B9, better known as folate, is an essential supplement for maintaining healthy brain and neurological function. It aids in the production of neurotransmitters and also helps maintain psychological balance. Additionally, it promotes cellular detoxification, which can be beneficial to overall health. Though it is usually thought of as part of a workout regimen, research has suggested that regular creatine consumption might help improve short-term memory skills in older people. Creatine also might be helpful for people diagnosed with neurological disorders, such as bipolar disorder and multiple sclerosis. Right now, there isn't enough evidence to say that taking multivitamins are associated with improved brain function in older adults. And while you should always try to get all your nutrients from food, as noted by Harvard Health Publishing, taking a daily multivitamin might help fill nutritional gaps in your diet. Number 7. Mindfulness activities. Did you know that mindfulness activities can actually help you beat memory loss and brain fog? It's true. Similarly to meditation, by engaging in activities that promote sitting still, focusing on your breath, and staying present in the moment, you can actually strengthen your ability to remember things. Mindfulness can help you in many ways. It helps clear the mind of all the clutter that can come with everyday life, and it can also improve your concentration and ability to retain information. Yoga is a great way to stay mindful. It not only helps with focus and clarity, but also allows you to connect deeply with your body. And when it comes to memory recall, yoga is king. When practicing yoga postures, allow yourself to connect with each pose, how it makes you feel, what kind of sensations arise, and become aware of the vast energy within. Art therapy is another great way to beat memory loss by engaging your creative side. while also allowing yourself to tap into deeper parts of your brain. Art activates both sides of the brain, while also allowing you to use creative expression as a form of release. Expressing through art helps us get in touch with our feelings, which can help us remember events more easily. Number 8. Brain training. Memories are made up of what you sense. Typically, when memory fails, it's not because you forgot how to remember. It's because your brain isn't processing information very clearly. Our exercises for memory can sharpen the brain's ability to record this information so that you can create a clearer memory that's easier to recall. It's recommended that you spread a few short sessions of brain training over the course of the day rather than trying to cram in a few hours all at once. It's important to keep your brain engaged with some stimulating activities on a daily basis. There are many ways to do this, from playing cards and solving puzzles like Sudoku or crosswords to doing memory exercises or just reading and writing. As long as you're challenging yourself mentally, you'll be getting the most out of your brain training efforts. Brain training tips that can help with memory loss prevention include memorizing numbers, words, and phrases, doing mental math problems or spatial geometry challenges, playing games like chess or checkers to improve recall and strategy, taking time each day for reflection or mindfulness practice, and lastly, learning a new language or skill. Number 9. Change your routine. Many of us think that establishing routines benefit our memories. If we have a system in place, we reduce the risk of forgetting to dot our I's and cross our T's. Studies are showing that having a variety of activities in your life can be beneficial for your brain health. According to research, when people and animals do the same things regularly, their brains become more efficient at those tasks, but less adaptable to new challenges. Therefore, breaking up routine and trying something different can keep you open and flexible. This could mean taking a lunch break away from the office or even stepping away from your computer for some fresh air. This can help with data retention and improve overall well-being. As we grow older, it becomes harder for us to embrace new things and adapt to changing situations. Therefore, it is important to equip ourselves with the skills needed now, so that we can live comfortably in the later stages of life. Number 10. Sauna. Did you know that taking a regular sauna session could help with memory loss? Yup, it's true. Saunas are actually good for your brain, and even though it's not too common of a practice in the West, they're frequent in many other places around the world. It all boils down to the fact that saunas help your body create heat shock proteins. What are those? Heat shock proteins are our body's natural response to heat stress, and they help protect cell components from damage. And when your cells stay healthy, so does your brain. Plus, taking a sauna is relaxing and can reduce anxiety and depression. Memory loss, brain fog, and other age-related issues do not have to be part of your future. Taking control of your memory can be as easy as staying active, getting enough sleep, maintaining a healthy diet, and of course, doing some mental exercises to help keep your brain sharp. Above all, it's important to listen to your body and recognize when your brain needs a recharge. By implementing just a few of these simple tricks into your daily routine, you can make sure that your brain is functioning at its fullest capacity and greatly reduce the chances of memory loss and brain fog. With these steps, you'll be ready to take on any challenge life throws your way. Take care, and thanks for spending some time with us today at Financial Psychology. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. And hey, don't forget to subscribe.